guys, I'm Christine and this is Craft. So this is just a quick video of me showing you how to crochet a notebook, and yeah, as I promised in the previous video, is it in here or the next one? But anyways, since I can't find the video of how to crochet a notebook, let's just do this quickly and I'll teach you how. So okay, we need spiral notebook, and we will remove the spiral actually, and we will crochet it in. So we will remove that, and then we will crochet it. So we need spiral notebook, we need to remove the spiral, we need a scissor, a 3mm hooked needle, and that's it. That's pretty much it. So let's get started. Okay, so we need the notebook. This is like the cover of the notebook right here, and we have like the one still on the spiral, but we will remove that because we will crochet it. And first things first, we will prepare. I usually do just 50 pieces of the paper, the lined paper, in one subject. So we will do that first, and then we will do the crocheting itself. So first we separate and count the pages in each of the hard copy. So we have the hard copy here with the subject, of course, and yeah, let's do that. For the mape, I just used the regular 80 pieces, so 20 per subject. So 20 for music, 20 for arts, 20 for physical something. I forgot what PE means. And then health. So 20 each. So for mape, it's 80. But for the other subject, this one is, you can, this is like not that many things that they write down here. So I'll just use a few pieces of paper, but the other we will do 50. So I need to count. I think this one is 50 already. Okay, this is already 50. Then we will get a hook. I'm using the 3.5, and then we will get yarn. We just use acrylic yarn. This one is okay, and this one looks like same thing. First thing you do a slip knot. I think I already taught you guys how to do the slip knot, but we will do it again. So like that, and then we hold, and then we get the one in the center, and then we pull. That's not that clear. Anyways, this is much easier if I can squeeze these two on my legs, but we're doing this. We start in the bottom. Wait. We need to. This is big. We need the other one. This is too big for the hole. We just used the smaller one, 3 lunar hook. And then what we're going to do is insert the your slip knot like that, and then insert the hook on the bottom part, and then put the yarn in the back part, yarn over, pull through, two. And then we basically do just a slip stitch again. We will insert the hook right here, yarn over, pull through all, and then insert, yarn over, pull through all, 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 and we just repeat that until we reach the top part. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Basically, I'm just doing a slip stitch. That's the stitch. So this is almost like, this is definitely like a beginner friendly part, and it's not that hard. I've been doing this technique for the 3rd year already, and it's super affordable. It helps a lot to reuse old notebooks, and then it's almost like recycling and being much more cost effective when it comes to the school supply for my kid. So we're in the top right now. We will just do a chain. So chain is just yarn over, pull through. So, and it's up to you if how long you liked. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yeah, 50 is enough. And then we will cut. Cut. Then just closed. And for okay, for extra security, we will just tie a knot and make sure that it's very near the end right here, so that it's much more secure. And then we will just trim it down, and that's it. But this one we will hide. We will hide this one, but it's a simple one. We just get a needle. Just need a needle, where are you? No, not you. The bigger one. Okay. Need this needle. We'll just almost like weaving the ends. Just do that again. Okay. And then we cut. And then we are done. So this serves as like a bookmarker of where you finished the hangings, and it's still pretty. The quality of the spiral notebook and the paper of it is very nice. That's why I can still reuse it and still do it. I bought this a spiral notebook. I bought this like 20 pieces of the notebook last on the first year of my son in grade 7. So it's now grade 9 and I'm still using it. Great. Okay, so that's pretty much how to do it. We just need to know. You just need to know a slip knot, a chain, and that's it. Because I basically just chained this one out, and yeah, very simple, very easy, and a beginner friendly. And this is how I do how I crochet the notebook, so that I can be able to like pull the end, just pull the end, and then remove the one that's been used, and then replace it with a new fresh cleaned line paper. So that's it for me. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. I know this is a little short, but yeah, thank you. Bye.